Welcome to Hochi Gardens in Homestead. As you can see here, it's we are gonna plant our seeds. Mine is corn poppers, red. This is sweeties, corn. We're planting corn. And this is also another one of mine. These two sentries, these two. And as you can see, we're supposed to put 10, but as you can count it if you want. And also don't forget there's probably 9 or 10. You can see that there's lots of soil in here, so we just take one, and then when this happens, that's far enough. You just bury it.
I forgot what we're doing.
Bury it, and then you get another one. When you're done with all of them, the last one, you put this in the soil. Show you what kinds you have.
Okay.
And then you can start the next one.
Hey Asher, why are we using paper instead of plastic?
Why we're using paper is because it's made for toilet paper, but it's made out of soil. So we're gonna recycle it. That means reuse it.
And why are we doing that specifically with corn?
Because corn doesn't like to be disturbed, and this will not break. It will stay like it.
Yeah. And we can put the whole thing in the dirt. We won't have to take it out, right?
Yeah, we don't.
Okay.
Have to.
Well, let's get these put in and planted.
That's
Serenity.
just like also.
That's right.
And also, if you watch Paw Patrol, you can see as Rocky has stuff in his green truck. You can also see his collar. He has like this arrows going in a circle.
That's recycling.
That's what recycle means, and he recycles in the Paw Patrol. He has all his stuff in his car is what they will need.
Serenity, you gonna get yours planted?
Granny, did I do 3 already?
Uh-huh.
I did 1, 2, 3. Did I
Can
do
I
one
tell
on this
them
one?
something?
I don't think so.
Can I tell them something?
Yeah, start on them.
So we going.
I don't think we have enough.
If your finger goes like this, that's how much you do it.
Good job.
Then you cover it up.
Yep. And keep going.
Keep going to the next level.
That's what
Next row. Yeah.
Done.
Good job, Serenity. You can go to the next row.
I'm going to get it now.
As you can see, I'm already finished with my first one.
Good job.
I finished
And then I
my
put
first
it right there. Okay, now I'm done with my first one. Now I'm on to you can read this if you want, if you know cursive.
Corn painted mountain.
And this is a really pretty color.
It is pretty.
Do you think too?
Can I show them
If you've been following, you can know we have lots of if you're way behind, you can actually catch up on our movies on our YouTube channels. And if you don't know where it is, you can search Hochi Gardens and Homestead. Hochi Gardens and Homestead is my grandma's YouTube channel, and we've been doing it for a long time. She did some by herself, she did some with us, and we have a simple amount of really good viewers. If you want to be a new viewer, you can comment down below, or you can, and also you can subscribe. Yes, that's the word.
So these are mine. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, Cherokee White Eagle.
Can you read?
I just did read it.
You know that you can read all by yourself. And it says to play around, and I did the first one. See how me and Asher did it?
Mm-hmm.
I took it today. And I'm gonna get planting.
As you can see, I'm on my second one.
You are.
Okay, I'm on my third one. It is light gold. It is Sweet Corn Country Gentleman. You can read it right here. You can find it at the store. And you can find these corn at the store.
Okie dokie.
And also, you can find it at the store, and you can, and we also have Kinder Egg surprise eggs.
You know I always
And
wanted
also, oh no, this one's not ready yet.
It's okay. Go ahead and plant them. We've had them soaking for 24 hours.
24 hours, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, I'm already done with my 3. This is the first row, this is the second, as you can see. But this is not a part of this one. This one's a part of this one. I know it's confusing, but trust me, it's just open. But
we understand it, right?
and this is called the Painted Sweet Papa, just like Papa.
Good job, kids. Good job. We got the whole tray planted, and we just got to take it out to the sunroom now and put them under the lights.
You can come with us. So as you can see,
I do it.
this is all we have. No, it's not. We have more. More. Tons more.
We did.
Hey guys. Did you actually think we only had that? No. Freddie did all these by himself. Oopsies. Be careful. They're invincible. What are those?
Sweet potatoes.